Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the tool. In this video, we're taking a look at Regions Bank, specifically their website at regions.com. Navigating a bank's website can often be a complex and confusing experience, so let's explore what Regions offers and see how user-friendly their online platform is. I'll be walking you through the key features, highlighting both the strengths and weaknesses I've encountered. From online banking and bill pay to loan applications and investment resources, Regions.com aims to provide a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. We'll delve into the site's organization, examining how easily you can find the information you need. Is it intuitive to locate things like checking account balances, transaction history, or customer support contact details? These are crucial aspects of any online banking platform. Furthermore, we'll explore the mobile friendliness of the site. In today's fast-paced world, accessing your banking information on the go is essential. We'll assess how well Regions.com adapts to different screen sizes and whether it offers a dedicated mobile app. A seamless mobile experience is a must-have for any modern banking institution. Security is another paramount concern when dealing with financial information online. We'll touch on the security measures Regions has in place to protect user data. This includes features like two-factor authentication and encryption protocols. Your peace of mind is essential, and a robust security system is non-negotiable. Finally, we'll consider the overall user experience. Is the website aesthetically pleasing and easy to navigate? Is the information presented clearly and concisely? A well-designed website can make all the difference in how you interact with your bank. We'll explore these elements to provide a comprehensive overview of Regions.com. So, let's dive in and explore the digital landscape of Regions Bank and see if it meets the demands of today's online banking user.